Welcome everyone! Today we're asking a big question. How will Gen Z survive the future?
Technology is changing fast, and Gen Z will face challenges no generation has seen before.
Some people worry that AI will take away millions of jobs.
That's possible, but history shows new technology also creates new opportunities.
So what skills should Gen Z focus on?
Learning, adapting, and solving problems. Those skills will always be valuable.
Do you think AI will replace humans completely?
No. The people who know how to work with AI will have the biggest advantage.
Education is changing too.
Exactly. Continuous learning may become more important than a traditional degree.
What about money and careers?
Having multiple income sources could become the new normal.
Many Gen Z people are already becoming creators and entrepreneurs.
Yes, the internet gives opportunities that didn't exist 20 years ago.
Technology is helpful, but it can also be overwhelming.
That's why mental health and balance will be essential skills for the future.
The world feels more connected than ever.
And communication skills will become even more valuable in a global economy.
What challenges worry you the most?
Climate change, automation, and economic uncertainty.
But solutions are emerging too.
So the future isn't something to fear?
Not at all. Every generation faces challenges, and Gen Z is incredibly adaptable.
To survive the future, keep learning, stay flexible, and embrace change.
Exactly. The future belongs to those who adapt. Thanks for listening.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for the next discussion.